Wemwega. Welcome to today's Kikuyu language lesson. My name is Wanjiro, and in today's lesson we are going to learn 15 verbs that we use every day and how we would say if we were talking about doing something right now. What are you doing right now, or what am I doing right now? For example, I am teaching you Kikuyu language. So teach is a verb, or in other terms, present continuous tenses. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. Don't forget to share this video with anyone who is looking to learn Kikuyu language. And if you are new, I hope to also see you in the next lesson. So shall we go ahead and start our video? Present continuous tenses describe a continued or ongoing action at the present time, or an action that is in progress. Like right now I am speaking, an action that is in progress but has not been completed yet. So in other words, just like saying, what am I doing right now? Our first verb is sit down. We do this every day. I'm sure nobody stands the whole day. We all sit down at some point. So to sit down is goikara the. Goikara the. So if you want to tell someone sit down, you will tell them ikara the. Ikara the. Ikara the. But if you wanted to say I am sitting down, we're going to say, we actually have two ways of saying this. The first one is we use the verb once, but the second one we use the verb twice. In this case, the first one is derai kara de. Derai kara de. So in this case we've added dera to our verb ikara de. So it's dera ikara de. Or nego ikara dera ikara de. Nego ikara dera ikara de, which in translation is, it is to sit that I am sitting. It is to sit that I am sitting. Nego ikara dera ikara de. So that number 2 is the verb stand. Stand is rogama. To stand is korogama. Korogama. But I forgot to tell you, most of our verbs, when we want to use the word to, we must prefix them with either go or ko. When we are saying to, so we have to prefix with go or ko. So for example, we said goikarade, and now we are saying korogama. So to say I am standing, we are going to again add dera. Ne dera rogama. Ne dera rogama. And if you want to repeat, ne korogama dera rogama. Ne korogama dera rogama. Ne korogama dera rogama. It is to stand that I am standing. I know someone who knows Kikuyu might watch this video and be like, wait, you're not supposed to say that when you're saying sit or stand. Like you say ne dogamete or ne jikarete the or jikarete the. But we are going to learn that ne jikarete the or ne dogamete in another lesson and tell you why I am not using te in this present tense. Number 3 is drink. Drink is nyua. Nyua. So every day, I'm sure you drink water or tea or milk, whatever you drink, or juice or soda. So drink is nywa. To drink is konywa. Konywa. So I am drinking water. I am drinking water. Ndiranywa mai. Ndiranywa mai. Or nikonywa ndiranywa mai. Nikonywa ndiranywa mai. Number 4 is eat. Unless you're fasting, I'm sure you eat every day. Eat is rea. Rea. To eat is korea. Korea. I am eating chapati. I am eating chapati. Ndiraria safasi. Ndiraria safasi. Or it is to eat that I am eating chapati. Nekoria ndiraria safasi. Nekoria ndiraria safasi. Number 5, we have play. Play is dhaka. Dhaka. But to play is godhaka. Godhaka. So I'm going to use a word ball. I am playing a ball. So you can say ndiradhaka mufira. Ndiradhaka mufira. Or negodhaka ndiradhaka mufira. Negodhaka ndiradhaka mufira. Number 6 is cook. Cook is ruga. Ruga. To cook is koruga. Koruga. I am cooking rice. Ndiraruga musere. Ndiraruga musere. Or nekoruga ndiraruga musere. Nekoruga ndiraruga musere. By now I'm sure you know how to say the second part, so I'm just going to say the first part. The second part I'll write it here, but I'm not going to say it. Okay? Number 7 is pray. Pray is hoya. Hoya. But to pray is kohoya. Kohoya. I am praying to God. Ndirahoya Ngai. Ndirahoya Ngai. Or ndirahoya kwe Ngai. Ndirahoya kwe Ngai. Number 8, we have write. Write is andika. Andika. To write, kuandika. Kuandika. I'm writing a story. Ndiradika rogano. Ndiradika rogano. Ndiradika rogano. Number 9 is read. Read is dhoma. Same as learn, by the way. To read and to learn will be the same. Dhoma. To read, godhoma. Godhoma. I am reading my book. Ndirathoma ifuku riakwa. Ndirathoma ifuku riakwa. Ndirathoma ifuku riakwa. Number 10 is call, and when I say call, I mean call on the phone. To call on the phone is hora thimo. Hora thimo. To call, kohora thimo. Kohora thimo. If you want to say I am calling Wanjiro, you'll say Dera horera Wanjiro thimo. Dera horera Wanjiro thimo. I know the reason I used rera is because you're talking like I'm doing it to someone else. Dera horera. Dera horera. Number 11 is talk or speak, which is aria. Aria. I've used this example so many times. To speak is kwaria. Kwaria. So if I want to say I am talking right now, you'll say nederaria. If you want to say I am talking to Wanjiro, deraria na Wajiro. Deraria na Wajiro. Deraria na Wajiro. Number 12 is driving. Drive is twara or twarithia gari. Twarithia gari. To drive is gutwarithia gari. Gutwarithia gari. So I am driving my car. I'll say Dera twarithia gari yakwa. Dera twarithia gari yakwa. Dera twarithia gari yakwa. Number 13 is to chew. When we eat, we chew. So chew is tanuka. Tanuka. To chew, gotanuka. Gotanuka. So I am chewing gum. Dera tanuka big G. Or we say dera tanuka jojo. Dera tanuka jojo. Dera tanuka jojo. Number 14, walk. Walk is die namagoro. Die namagoro. To walk, godie namagoro. Godie namagoro. We are differentiating because if you just say godie, it's going to mean to go. So you have to say you're going with your legs, which means to walk. Deradie namagoro. I am walking. Deradie namagoro. Deradie namagoro. The last one is send. Send is toma. Toma. To send, gotoma. Gotoma. If I want to say I am sending money, I'm going to say dera toma besa. Dera toma besa. So if you want to say I'm sending money to mom, dera toma besa kwe maito. Dera toma besa kwe maito. And that's the end of this lesson. Thank you so much for watching. And by the way, I feel like I should make another video where I do now the second person for the same verbs or the third person. So please let me know if you would like me to do that video. And I'm so happy you watched this video till the end. See you in the next lesson. Tonane tigwawega.